Bought me a bird dog, name on the tag, Predator Deluxe and Big Bold Brag. Breeder said, son, this pup's the one. He shook my hand, then took my funds. Drove to the woods like a victory lap, dog in the back, snoring in my cap. Pulled in the field, sky full of wings. Dog took one look and hid behind my legs. I got a bird dog, scared of birds, shaking at the sight of feathers. This is absurd. All my hunting buddies say they've never heard of a bird dog, scared of birds. Whistled him forward, come on, seek. He pretended that he couldn't hear me speak. A sparrow sneezed in a thorny hedge. He dove like a torpedo straight under the edge. Quail took off, my shotgun jammed. Dog took off, my pride got slammed. Neighbor's old poodle just rolled her eyes, while my mighty hunter cried at butterflies. I got a bird dog, scared of birds, shaking at the sight of feathers. This is absurd. Whole duck seasons, just me and my words. And a bird dog, scared of birds. Try therapy treats, pet talks, praise, face your fear. Just one small J peeked one eye. The J said cheat. Dog fainted clean out in her heap. Oh no, now he guards the couch and the TV shows, chases every pizza guy straight down the road. He'll take on a tractor, the mailman too, but a chicken clucks and he's in my boot. Yeah, I got a bird dog, scared of birds, best friend ever, worst I've ever heard. Guess I'll just retire my fancy gear and words, hunting takeout with my bird dog, scared of birds.